What is Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that is widely used for a variety of applications, including web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. It is designed to be easy to read and write, with a simple and straightforward syntax that makes it a popular choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike. One of the key features of Python is its ease of use and flexibility. Its syntax is simple and readable, which makes it a great language for beginners to learn. It is also easy to use for experienced programmers, as it supports a wide range of programming paradigms, including object-oriented, functional, and procedural programming. Python is also known for its large and active community of developers, who contribute to a wide range of open-source libraries and tools that extend the functionality of the language. These libraries cover a wide range of topics, from data visualization and analysis, to web development and game programming. Some of the most popular libraries in Python include NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, and Django. One of the main strengths of Python is its versatility. It can be used for a wide range of applications, from simple scripts to complex web applications and scientific simulations. Python can also be used for machine learning and artificial intelligence, as it provides a range of tools and libraries for data analysis, statistical modeling, and deep learning. Another key advantage of Python is its portability. Python code can run on a wide range of platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and mobile devices. This makes it a great choice for developing applications that need to run on multiple platforms or devices. Python is also known for its dynamic nature, which means that it is interpreted at runtime rather than compiled. This allows for quick and easy testing and debugging of code, which can save time and effort during development. One of the most popular uses of Python is for data analysis and scientific computing. The NumPy and Pandas libraries provide powerful tools for data manipulation and analysis, while the Matplotlib library allows for the creation of high-quality data visualizations. Python is also widely used in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning, with libraries such as scikit-learn and TensorFlow providing powerful tools for training and deploying machine learning models. In addition to these features, Python also has a number of other advantages, including extensive documentation and support resources, a large and active community of developers, a straightforward and easy-to-learn syntax, the ability to interact with other programming languages, such as C and C++, built-in support for many common tasks, such as file I/O and regular expressions. In conclusion, Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that is widely used for a wide range of applications, including web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. It is known for its ease of use, flexibility, and large community of developers and users, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike.